Yo, this is how you make honey garlic chicken wing. Ooh, that joint is hot. Crispiness. Oh, hot. All right, so today we're about to make some honey garlic chicken wing. Hope you guys are excited as much as I am. So I decided to start shooting YouTube because people are like, yo, chef, I need your long form video. So, all right, we're gonna give it a shot, all right? First thing first, we're gonna get about a pound of chicken. Just like that. Boom. A pound of chicken comes to about 7 to 8 wings. You know, we're keeping it light today just because, you know, we're making a small recipe just for like 1 to 2 people. And now we're gonna season it. Here's our seasoning. I'll go about half a teaspoon of salt. Honestly, guys, I'm eyeing everything out, but I literally had to measure it just for you guys so you guys could get the accurate measurement. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Ooh, look, you see that? Ooh, that's already gonna be fire. Marinate that, give them a nice little rub, you know? Food is all about love, you know? You gotta give them a little nice massage. Make sure it's evenly coated on all sides. So let that marinate at least for an hour. And then we're gonna add some potato starch in there and some water. As far as the recipe, I say 1/4 cup of water and 1/4 cup of potato starch. But I really just eye it out, you know? You see right now it's a little bit too watery. That's not the consistency I'm looking for. And I definitely don't want it too thick like this too. You see that? I'm just showing you guys an example of it, you know? But I definitely don't want it thick like that, where the potato starch is like, This is the consistency we're going for. You see that? Right here. Not too watery and not too thick, all right? Did you guys get that? We're gonna let that sit for a few minutes till we make the sauce. All right, so now we got the chicken ready. We're gonna throw in the oil. Let's go. People ask me how I get the muscle, you know what I mean? All right, we're gonna bring the oil to boil. Oil to boil. If you wanna see how, if your oil's hot enough, you wanna throw some, you know, rice in there to see if it float around. But I like to just splash a little bit of water. But be careful when you do this, you know, you could burn yourself and all that. So what you do is you stick your hair. And if you scream, no, I'm just kidding. The frying part takes 10 minutes. First, we're gonna fry for 7 to 8 minutes. Then the second fry, we're gonna go to 2 to 3 minutes. So it's ready to go. It seems hot enough. Again, check on the consistency. This is really important. You don't want the batter to be too loose or too thick. Ooh. I'm gonna drop that in gently. Ooh. Be careful, y'all. Guys, be careful when you guys are throwing your chicken. Always make sure to throw the chicken away from you, like that way, so it splashes that way, okay? You don't want it to throw it here and then it splash all over your face or your arm. And then if you're scared, more scared you are, be more gentle. Just drop it lightly just like that so it doesn't splash. I decided to go on this wing series right now because people love wings. I love wings. So you might see in this recipe and also the sriracha chicken wings, air fried version. Because at home, you know, we just like to air fry it, but to be honest,
a lot of oil and everything, yeah.
Do not air fry your chicken wings, man. You gotta fry that joint, man. You crazy. So make sure your wings not sticking together. What I like to do is I just like to throw it like that, and then let it naturally fall apart from each other. Just like that. All right, so 8 minutes going in, boom. All right, so we're gonna grab these little nets, grab my wings. Ooh, just one time, baby. You see how easy that was? All right, so once you take it out, I like to hit it a couple times. What it does is it creates some airway in there. Usually I like to let it sit for at least 5 minutes before I double fry it. So you'll know what I mean by double frying it. So now it created some airway, we're letting it sit. When you throw it in, that joint's gonna go crazy. All right, we're gonna throw these bad boys right in. Boom, let's go. You see what I mean? That's what I meant. They go in. Ooh-wee. So again, you could go 7 to 8 minutes the first time and 2 to 3 minutes the second time. And in between, you let it sit for about 5 minutes and then throw it back in and perfecto.
Do you prefer breaded wings over naked wings?
Yeah. For me, that wings, woo, I love the crispiness. That just makes it so much better. I'm honestly not a fan of naked wings.
I love naked wings.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Only thing I'm a fan of that's naked is And that was fast. That's been 2 minutes. So we're gonna take these Johns out. Ooh, let's go. Look at that. Boom. Bah, just like that. Listen to that, man. I wish they could hear this, man.
Put it next to your microphone.
That's what I'm saying. You guys hear that? You guys hear that crispiness?
Oh, that's crispy. That's hot.
Ow! The wings are here. We're letting it sit perfectly cooked. Here, let me go. So you see this? Ooh, you see that crispiness?
Ooh, I know that's hot.
Hot. Ooh.
That's really hot. Be careful.
That wing should be flavorful by itself, but we're gonna even make it better. All right, so now we're gonna make the sauce. Remember the 2-2-2 half 3 rule. All right, make these rules for my viewers, and they're like, "Yo, I love your 10-10-5 rules for the rice. I love your 2-2-2-2-2." You know, but honestly, I forget what I said. Like literally, I had to tell my team to write down my own recipe. So this is actually inspired by honey butter chip. Then we gave it a little mix with some soy sauce. And that's how I came about it. So here goes 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 2 tablespoons of garlic. Boom. And 2 tablespoons of honey. Here goes the half a mirin and 3 tablespoons of butter. Whew. I really measured it and tested out just so you guys have a simple recipe that you guys can follow. All right, so here it is. All right, now we're gonna make the sauce. So everything's in. Lastly, I'm gonna throw in some butter. Whew. Just like that. That seems like it's a lot of butter, right? But nah. I'm gonna let that John melt. Potato starch, because it has it's crispy, but it also has this little chewiness, you know? Look at that. You guys smell that? I'm gonna throw these Johns right in. Just like that. Sauce right in. Woo, let's go. All right, gonna give that a nice little toss. Woo, woo. Let's go.
Oh, that's huge.
Yeah. Moment of truth. Let's go. Woo. Ooh.
Oh, that's hot.
How hot that is? You see it? So hot.
Hot.
I bet the mic picks up all the...
Chewing.
Someone just told me on YouTube, they're like, I had to mute
Oh shit, bro.
because I don't want to hear your voice. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, right?
Yo, I don't expect everybody to like me, but there are 6 million people who follow me. Guys, we're going to be making more YouTube videos like this. Just keeping it simple, straight to the recipe. Just share much as I can, you know? I'm just here to be me, be authentic, and try to deliver the most flavorful recipe. Keep it easy, keep it fun. Anyway, yapping too much. Just wanted to communicate with you in a deeper way. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace and sana. Yabuseo. Yo, let me ask you something. So are you guys team flat or team drum? Comment below. For me, man, it's team flats all day, every day, baby.